I'm Polly Bath, and I travel around the country helping schools manage and change difficult behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'm going to address one of your questions. The question is, can you talk about how to move away from diagnoses we've been using to explain learning and behavior challenges, like ADHD or autism, and more towards accepting and working with neurodiversity? Woo, this is so timely. I am a special educator. And I've also been a special ed administrator. And for many years, we've battled with the diagnoses model. You get a diagnosis of autism, ADHD, anything of that like. And in some people's world, it's an automatic educational disability. I think what we're seeing is which is fabulous, acceptance of, is it always an automatic disability, or is it simply who you are, the way you learn, kind of the way you're wired? If we are thinking about neurodiversity, it means that we're becoming more accepting of the way children learn, and they all learn differently. Now that we know more about the brain and the way these diagnoses, if you will, impact learning, we can address it from a different angle. So I can look at my classroom and say, when I do differentiated instruction, I'm taking into account the person who maybe is a more literal thinker, the person who is an abstract thinker. I'm taking into account the person who gets distracted because they just have lots of thoughts in their mind right now, and they're just not able to be with me in the moment. And that's how I'm going to deliver my instruction. See, I've always had this goal, and I'm so glad that we're talking about neurodiversity, because my goal has always been, how do I teach a child how to be successful by teaching them self-compensatory skills to navigate a world that might not address the way they learn, but they can become strong at working through things that are challenging for them. So in other words, helping you be successful with whom you are versus trying to change, fix, or make you fit into a system that you might not fit into. So that's how I address when we talk about neurodiversity, is getting more excited about accepting that. And it challenges us as teachers. As teachers, it certainly does. But I think it's going to be a really nice way to go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos, and if you've got questions for future videos, put those in the comments below.